Hello guys, welcome back to Up for Organic. I have been frequently asked in comments how to make a face cream for oily skin type. So in this video, I am going to show you how to make your own homemade face cream for oily skin type. I have combination skin type, but I have tried to mix few ingredients and tried it on my husband's super oily skin, and fortunately he hasn't complained. I think he is happy. I want you also to try this recipe and give me your honest review how you felt after using this cream. So let's begin. Before we start, yes, you guessed it right, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Alright, then let's begin. For this cream, I have tried to put together all the ingredients which are easily available in your house, but still if you don't have any, you can easily get it from nearby medical store. To make this cream, we need any of your homemade face cream. You can also make it as I shown you in my video how to make homemade face cream. But if you don't have time to make your own, then you can also use a preferred face cream purchased from the market. Aloe vera gel. I prefer to use freshly extracted aloe vera gel as I grow my own aloe vera plant at home. You can also use aloe vera gel preserved with vitamin C or E instead, but make sure to store your face cream in a refrigerator if you are not using any preservative. You can check out my video on how to preserve aloe vera gel. The link is mentioned in the description box. If you don't have fresh aloe vera gel or the home preserved one, then you can also use market-based aloe vera gel too. Lactocalamine lotion available in the market, or you can make your own at home by adding kaolin clay or white clay, vegetable glycerine, and zinc oxide. Bentonite clay. If you don't have bentonite clay, then you can also substitute it with Fuller's earth, also known as multani mitti. Just make sure you grind it in a fine powder before using it. Your preferred essential oil. I'm using sandalwood and nutmeg essential oil here. In an empty container, add 1 tablespoon of your regular face cream. Add 1/2 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and stir. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of lactocalamine lotion. Add 1/2 teaspoon of bentonite clay and stir well. Add 5 to 6 drops of your preferred essential oil. I am adding 3 to 4 drops of sandalwood essential oil and 2 drops of nutmeg essential oil. And stir well so that all the ingredients mix properly. Take a small amount in your palm and apply it on your face like this. This cream has clay in it, so it will give a matte finish to your face and the clay will soak the excess oil. Aloe vera gel penetrates into our skin and nourishes deeply as it gets absorbed very quickly. Vegetable glycerine also moisturizes our skin. Bentonite clay absorbs excess oil from our skin, giving it a matte and even finish. Sandalwood essential oil adds fragrance and also gives a cooling effect on the skin because of its cooling and anti-inflammatory properties. Nutmeg essential oil has antibacterial, antiseptic and antifungal properties which protects our skin from acne. The zinc oxide in lactocalamine lotion protects our skin from clogging and causing acne, while Kaolin clay makes the consistency smooth and soaks the excess oil. This is a day cream, so don't keep it on your face overnight, because at night we need a cream which is more moisturizing, which nourishes our skin. And don't worry about the clay clogging your pores, because when you'll wash your face with water, the clay will thoroughly cleanse your pores. If you don't have sandalwood essential oil, then you can also use lavender or peppermint or chamomile essential oil for the soothing effect. See, this is such a simple and quick method. So do give it a try and don't forget to share your results with me. And if you have any questions regarding this, feel free to ask me in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and relatives. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified about my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.